Just finally reached a position. So now we're inside the camp and the temperature is like -2 or -3 outside. It's snowing actually. So now we are in this sleeping bag with my friends there. So now let's see for tomorrow what will happen and how the location will be. Now we are sleeping and so this was the camp area yesterday where we stayed actually. Yeah, you can see over there, and this is the location right now in the morning. This is the guy called Naveen, and he was the guide for this whole trip to the Triund, and full like a heartful thanks to him for this trip. And भाई next time आएंगे पक्का देख लेना, ठीक है?
ये हमारी कैंप साइट पूरा डाल
हाँ, you can see their camps are all this in the snow also. Actually the place is very good. Don't worry on investing in a good supplement actually. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. So we're exiting the trip right now and we're moving out from the camp and we're moving back to the city. अभी गिरते ना मीम बन जाता. So hi, we completed our trek and you can see the waterfall over there. So it's going below down, and so this is the closing point, and we'll close our trek from here. And I'm going back to my hotel in McLeodganj. Trip.
Awesome.
बढ़िया.
I didn't want to come back.
Okay.